I still remember waking up to a dripping sound, only to find my downstairs ceiling ruined because of a cracked, cheap shower base. Choosing the right one is a nightmare of confusing materials and hidden installation flaws that can cost you thousands in water damage. Today, I am breaking down the top 5 shower bases on the market to save you from that headache. We will cover exactly which ones hold up and which to avoid, leading up to a number 1 pick that completely changed how I look at bathroom renovations. 5. DeerValley DV-1SB0107R. When I first got my hands on this pan, I immediately noticed its lightweight nature, which initially seemed like a massive benefit for maneuvering it into a tight bathroom space without breaking my back. It features a textured, slip-resistant floor, which is always a welcome safety addition, and the integrated tile flange is designed to prevent water from seeping behind the walls. For a standard alcove installation, the glossy white finish definitely looks sharp out of the box and gives the illusion of a much more expensive fixture. However, my actual experience testing the durability of this base left me with some serious reservations regarding its long-term performance. While acrylic is naturally warm to the touch and generally easy to clean, this specific DeerValley model feels a bit thinner than I would prefer for a daily use family bathroom. If your subfloor is anything less than absolutely perfectly level, and if your mortar bed isn't flawlessly spread, you're going to experience noticeable flexing and an annoying squeaking sound every time you shift your weight. That flexing isn't just an auditory annoyance. It is a structural concern that can eventually lead to micro cracks near the drain assembly over years of use. Furthermore, the glossy surface, while beautiful on day one, showed a surprising vulnerability to surface scratches when I was simulating normal cleaning routines with standard, non-abrasive bathroom brushes. If you drop a heavy shampoo bottle, you might be looking at a permanent scuff mark that ruins the pristine aesthetic you paid for. Ultimately, the DeerValley DV-1SB0107R is a budget-friendly option that could work decently well for a lightly used guest bathroom where it won't face heavy traffic. 4. Kohler K-9193-0. Kohler is a legendary name in bathroom fixtures, and pulling this out of the crate, you instantly feel the sheer, unapologetic quality of enameled cast iron. It is incredibly robust, featuring a beautifully smooth, baked-on finish that resists staining and looks incredibly luxurious in any bathroom setting. The low-threshold design makes stepping in and out very easy, and the offset drain is a nice touch if you're replacing a standard bathtub and don't want to move your plumbing. But let me be completely honest about what it is like to actually work with and live with this behemoth of a shower base. The first massive drawback is the astonishing weight of this unit, which comes in at a staggering couple of 100 pounds, making the installation process an absolute nightmare unless you have a dedicated crew of strong laborers. Maneuvering this dense slab of iron through narrow hallways, upstairs, and into a confined bathroom framing space is genuinely dangerous and significantly drives up installation costs. Once it is finally installed, another reality sets in that many homeowners fail to consider. Cast iron is brutally cold underfoot, especially during the winter months. Unless you leave your hot water running for a few minutes just to heat up the floor of the pan before you step in, you're going to get a shocking chill every single morning. Furthermore, the slip-resistant texture molded into the enamel, while necessary for safety on such a slick material, happens to be a magnet for soap scum and hard water deposits that require aggressive, constant scrubbing to keep clean. 3. Schluter KERDI-SHOWER-LT/LTS. Unlike the previous bases that serve as the final floor surface, this Schluter product is a lightweight, expanded polystyrene foam tray designed to be the perfect waterproof substrate for your own custom tile work. When I tested this system, I was blown away by how it eliminates the traditional labor-intensive process of packing a dry mud bed and manually sloping the floor to the drain. The genius of the KERDI shower tray is that it comes pre-sloped to the precise angle required by building codes, completely removing the guesswork and potential for standing water issues. It is incredibly lightweight, meaning you can easily carry it under one arm. Yet once it is set in a thin-set mortar, it becomes incredibly dense and supportive enough to handle heavy stone or ceramic tiles. It integrates flawlessly with the Schluter KERDI waterproofing membrane, creating a totally sealed, vapor-tight envelope that guarantees your subfloor and framing will never see a single drop of water. What really sets the LT and LTS models apart is their accommodation for modern linear drains, which are incredibly popular in high-end bathroom designs right now. Because the tray is uniformly sloped in one direction rather than heavily bowled towards center drain, you can use large format tiles on your shower floor without having to make complicated, ugly envelope cuts. This allows for a seamless visual transition from your main bathroom floor right into the shower enclosure, creating a stunning, spa-like aesthetic that feels incredibly luxurious. While it does require the additional step and expense of actually laying tile over it, the Schluter system completely demystifies the process of building a waterproof custom shower. 2. Sterling Ensemble Vikrell. Sterling, which is actually a Kohler company, utilizes a proprietary material called Vikrell, which is a solid composite material made of polyresin and fiberglass. When I put this base through its paces, I was incredibly impressed by how it manages to strike the perfect balance between the lightweight convenience of acrylic and the rigid, unyielding strength of heavier traditional materials. Unlike standard fiberglass bases that can feel hollow or easily crack under pressure, the Vikrell material is solid color all the way through, meaning that if you do happen to accidentally scratch it, the damage is almost invisible and can often be buffed right out. The base features structural ribbing underneath that provides phenomenal load-bearing support without the absolute necessity of a thick, messy mortar bed during installation. It feels incredibly solid and firmly planted beneath your feet, completely eliminating that cheap, bouncy feeling that plagues so many mid-range shower bases on the market today. The surface of the Sterling Ensemble is lightly textured to prevent slipping, but the texture is specifically designed with sweeping, gentle curves rather than sharp ridges, making it incredibly easy to wipe down and keep clean. I also love the slightly taller threshold on this model, which does an excellent job of keeping water securely contained within the shower area, even if you're using a high-pressure shower head. It has a beautifully clean, classic aesthetic with a bright, glossy finish that easily blends into both contemporary and traditional bathroom designs without drawing unnecessary attention to itself. For the vast majority of homeowners who want a durable, attractive, and straightforward shower base that doesn't cost a fortune or require a structural engineer to install, the Sterling Vikrell is remarkably hard to beat. 1. DreamLine SlimLine. From the moment I unpacked this base, it was immediately clear why it is widely considered the gold standard for contemporary bathroom renovations. It is constructed from premium, high-gloss acrylic that is heavily reinforced with fiberglass, creating a hybrid shell that offers the stunning, bright finish of luxury acrylic alongside the bulletproof structural rigidity of a much heavier material. The standout feature of the SlimLine, as the name perfectly suggests, is its ultra-low profile threshold, which sits at just over 2 inches high. This sleek, minimalist design creates a nearly seamless transition from the bathroom floor into the shower, providing a high-end, custom look that instantly modernizes the entire room. Despite this very low threshold, DreamLine has engineered the interior slope so masterfully that water drains incredibly fast, completely eliminating any risk of overflow or pooling, even during long, heavy showers. What impressed me the most during testing was the integrated slip-resistant floor pattern, which manages to provide phenomenal grip for safety without sacrificing the base's elegant aesthetic or becoming a trap for dirt and grime. The glossy acrylic surface is naturally stain-resistant, incredibly easy to clean with basic mild soap, and it retains ambient room heat beautifully, meaning you will never have to step onto a freezing cold floor in the morning. Additionally, the installation process is wonderfully straightforward. with an integrated tile flange that ensures a perfectly watertight seal against your wallboard. The DreamLine SlimLine represents the absolute pinnacle of what a modern shower base should be. It is structurally flawless, visually stunning, remarkably easy to maintain, and highly accessible due to its low step-in height.